Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and in this video I am going to show you how to show touches in screen recording on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just swipe from the top to the bottom like this to the shortcut panel where we have to find screen recorder. That's right here. Now we have to hold on it to open screen recorder settings. Right here at the bottom we have here show button tabs, and we have to just click on this button next to this option to show touches in our screen recordings. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!